Hello everybody. Now let me introduce the medical protective overall for you. Let's go. From this part, we can see the employees finish the sewing of the protective overall. Follow me. In this place, we can see how employees finish the binding. The blue binding can stop the virus get inside the protective overall. This is a key point. And in this workshop, the capacity is 100,000 pieces every day. And we have already shipped to Germany, France, Italy, and other countries. So if you need this urgently, better call Hodo!